How to activate your Sandbox card. First, make sure you receive your physical Sandbox card in the mail or from your local distribution point. Once you have it, go to the official Sandbox activation website. The link is usually included in the letter that came with your card. Or you can call the activation hotline printed on the back of the card. If you're using the website, enter your 16-digit card number, your child's date of birth, and possibly the zip code or case number if required. Follow the prompts and create 4-digit PIN that you'll use for secure transactions. If you're activating by phone, follow the automated instructions, enter the same details, and set your PIN using your keyboard. Once you've completed the steps, your card is ready to use for eligible food items at participating grocery stores and retailers, just like debit card. Always keep your card and PIN safe and check your balance regularly using the official site or hotline. And that's it.